Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer an OpenVPN server to a new VDS securely, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by preparing your existing OpenVPN server for transfer. Document your current OpenVPN server configuration thoroughly. Access your current VDS via SSH using your preferred terminal. Backup your OpenVPN configuration files located typically in /etc/openvpn. Use the tar command to create a compressed archive of these files. Next, export the current OpenVPN server certificates and keys. Make sure to include the CA certificate, server certificate, and private key. Transfer the generated archive and certificates to your local machine. Utilize SCP or another secure file transfer method for this process. Now, log into your new VDS using SSH. Install the OpenVPN package on the new server. Ensure your package manager is updated before installation. Once installed, create a dedicated directory for OpenVPN configuration. Transfer the previously backed up configuration files to the new server. Extract the files from the compressed archive using the tar command. Verify that all configuration files and certificates are in place. Update the OpenVPN server configuration file if necessary for new IP settings. Consider adjusting firewall rules to allow OpenVPN traffic. Start the OpenVPN service on the new VDS. Monitor the logs to ensure the server starts without errors. If applicable, configure your router to point to the new server. Update your client configurations with the new server IP address. Test the connection from a client device to verify successful operation. Ensure the VPN connection is secure and performance meets expectations. Conduct a thorough audit of your new setup to confirm all services are operational. Once everything is confirmed, your transfer is successfully complete. Carefully decommission the old OpenVPN server if no longer needed. Maintain regular backups and updates on your new server to ensure ongoing security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.